a heated gaiter. What's a heated gaiter? Well, a gaiter you're supposed to wear like this. It's like basically a scarf. So you pull it down, you pull it up. It's got 3 settings, low, medium, and high. And you strategically put this on so you know where the there it is, where the button is. But the button is right here. So this is on low setting, high setting, medium setting. It's got a little concealed compartment here that you pull the battery out of. And when you want to charge it, use USB-C to charge this up. Now, this company makes a lot of other products that you can use the same battery on, jackets and hats and all kinds of stuff. So if you find a company, you want to stick with the same one, right? So you can basically interchange the batteries. All right, so this is the Gaiter. Inside, it's like basically like fleece lined, very comfortable. It's just a nice thing to have to keep that heat in on your body, and also to keep the cold off of your body. So yeah, that's how you put it on, just like that. You can put it up like that, up to your eyes if you want. Put a hat on, you'll be good. Actually, this is the hat that they make. I highly recommend it.